Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to create a Skrill account. So if you want to create a Skrill account, first of all you have to open up your Skrill application, and after opening your Skrill application, tap on the register icon which is on the bottom. And after tapping on that icon, now you have to choose an email address for your account. So after choosing an email address, now you should enter your first name, your last name, and then you have to enter the email address. And after entering the email address, you have to choose a password for your account, and then choose your country, and then choose a currency. So while choosing a currency, make sure to choose the currency which you use the most, because after creating an account you cannot change your currency. And after entering all the details, now you have to tap on register, which is in the bottom. And after tapping on register, now you will receive an email in your Gmail application. So open up your Gmail application, and after opening your Gmail application, here you can see Skrill. Just tap on that email, and after tapping on that email, here you can find confirm email. Just tap on confirm email, and after tapping on confirm email, you will verify your email address, and after verifying your email address, you will successfully create your Skrill account. So this is how you can create your Skrill account. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.